Hello again, welcome back to my channel. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare black eye bean stew, aka red. Right, so here I have 2 cups of boiled black eye bean, 2 medium size of onions, some diced ginger is about 30 grams, okay, and a tablespoonful of vegetable seasoning. I'm using a tin tomato. This is the peeled one, okay? You can use the fresh one if you have that. I'm also using about half a cup of fish powder, half a cup of shrimp powder, and 1 large onion sliced. I'll be frying that in the oil. I'm using 2 Scotch bonnet peppers. You can use any chilies that you have available. And for fish, I'm using mackerel fillet. Use any fish that you have available. I'll be adding a pinch of salt to this for taste. And I'm also using about half a cup of palm oil. So into my saucepan, I will add the palm oil, heat it up, and then add my onions, the diced or sliced ones. I will leave the onions to fry in the oil for about 3 to 5 minutes on a medium to low heat. While my onion is on the fire, I'll go ahead and blend my veggies. Alright, yes, so here I have my blended veggies. At this point, I'm going to add the blended veggies to my oil. Give it a good stir and leave this to cook for about 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes time, I will then add my vegetable seasoning to the sauce. Give it a good stir and leave this to cook for about 3 minutes. At this point, I'm adding my fish powder, which is banga fish. Actually, I bought the whole fish and then I grounded that into powder. Next, I'm adding my shrimp powder. With that, I also bought the smoked shrimps and then I grinded that at home. Yes, homemade is always the best. At this point, I'm gonna add my mackerel fillet to the sauce. Give it a good stir and leave this to cook for about 3 minutes. Right, so after 3 minutes, I'm then going to add my boiled black eye bean to the sauce or the stew. We are getting there. Give this a good stir. At this point, everything is cooked, so I'll turn down the heat to the lowest setting. Okay, the sauce is cooked, the black eye bean is also cooked, so all we need now is infusion. Yes, we are going to infuse the flavors in the stew into the beans, so you have to lower your heat. Okay, so at this point I'll add my salt. Give this a good stir to make sure that the salt distributes evenly. All right. Yes, now my black eye bean stew is ready. Look at that. It looks very beautiful. You can actually enjoy this stew with some boiled yam or rice or kenkey, but I am going to enjoy this with some fried ripe plantain and eggs. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye.